We, the teachers of Dr. Kalmadi Shamrao High School, attended the 21 days capacity building geospatial program conducted by Bharati Vidyapeeth Pune, sponsored by DST India.
Pune almost generates 2,300 to 2,400 tons of waste every day. The recyclers and repairers ensure that almost 1,800 tons of waste does not go to landfills. Yet, no government database has ever mapped this economy, due to which these workers cannot be connected to government welfare schemes. These are the unsung heroes of Pune's circular economy, and this is their story. At the core of this project is SDG 12, Responsible Consumption and Production. These occupations also contribute to local employment, SDG 8, support sustainable urban planning through geospatial mapping, SDG 11, and encourage resource conservation, thereby contributing to climate action, SDG 13.
Our aim was to map and create a dashboard to bring visibility to the people who quietly keep Pune's circular economy running using geospatial technology. Our journey began with a desk survey using Google Maps, where we collected 50 to 60 entries for our secondary data. Then we stepped in the field and collected primary data by using EpiCollect 5 mobile app. We collected approx 270 entries necessary for our analysis. Slowly, point by point, Pune's hidden circular economy began to emerge on our digital map.
Now coming to the analysis. These are the 6 wards which are our study area, and our school is the central point. This map shows the distribution of repair and recycling occupations across the city. Green dots represent secondary data and pink represent primary data. The clear difference highlights that a large number of these occupations are digitally invisible and can only be identified through on-ground exploration. Coming to the occupation category map, it shows different services like bicycle repair, shoe repair, scrap collection, etc. This map shows that these occupations are male-dominated, though women are also taking initiative in several of these occupations across the city. This map highlights on fixed shops, mobile carts and open-air stalls. This reflects the diverse infrastructure through which these essential services are delivered. This map compares the registration status of different businesses. Green represents formally registered, red represents unregistered, and yellow represents who are uncertain about their registration status. This map shows the monthly income distribution of these occupations, which show economic diversity in this sector. According to our survey, this ward has the highest number of occupations. When we overlaid buildings and road networks, we understood that the occupations are mostly situated near the residential areas and are clustered. Finally, an accessibility coverage analysis was carried out using a 500-meter buffer around each surveyed location. The overlapping buffers in central Pune indicate good walkable access to repair and recycling services, while the outer areas have comparatively lower accessibility.
This dashboard brings together all the findings from a survey into one interactive platform, making the data easy to explore and understand. It begins with the overview, which introduces the purpose of the dashboard. Right below, the At a Glance section highlights key statistics like total occupations and the estimated workforce covered in the survey. By selecting a location, users can view detailed information about each business, understand their distribution and contribution. Analysis section presents interactive charts and filters that compare occupation types, business status, years of operation, and other important survey insights. The spatial maps provide GIS-based visualizations that help identify business density, generational succession patterns, and the distribution of formal and informal businesses. Overall, the Arthachakra dashboard transforms survey data into an interactive and informative platform that helps users.
This project taught us that sustainability is not always about creating something new, but begins by recognizing what already exists. We hope this work encourages greater recognition, stronger support, and wider appreciation for these unsung heroes. Pune already has a circular economy. It just never had a map and a dashboard. We built one.